I'm going to whip up a quick and easy little Easter basket holder for a little bunny. So I've lined up my fabric. I have right sides together. I'm going to make 2 of these. So I'm going to cut them all at the same time. So I've just lined them up exactly how I want them. And a 6-inch strip. Now I'm going to pick up the top 2 since I have right sides together already. I don't have to do anything. And I'm going to put a seam on both sides, and then I'm going to turn it inside out. And then I want to give them a quick press. Right sides together, and how far up you want the basket to be. So just about right. Seams together. Making things since I was 3. Creating is my happy place and my passion. My hope is that you feel inspired as a result of watching my videos and create something incredible. I would love to hear about it by leaving me a comment below and give the thumbs up for other interested viewers. If this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about creativity and inspiration. I hope you feel inspired to create something amazing. Feel free to share the inspiration because life is a journey